Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spacers on the video channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about our 20mm wheel spacers safe on your Maserati. Let's go. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. The cheap spacers which using low quality materials are not strong enough and will deform the endangered driving safety under strong impact. BONOSS has more than 66 SGS and TÜV test reports and achieved excellent results. BONOSS has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Professional production experience and excellent product quality makes us confident to provide a super long warranty survive up to 10 years. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.